Yeah. Although they asking who am I supposed to be, and I'm like, what the fuck is that supposed to mean? Now it's time for your common sense to kick in. A family in the hood's little daughter's gone missing. That's right, I'm kicking it real deep. Try walking in different shoes or probably kill your feet. Now, a little something that I learned in high school. Drugs, sex, and violence, not in my school. Niggas be crime stopping and then it's a drug bust for telling something to someone they really thought they could trust. Sell their friends for money, then use it to buy drugs. Give up all the potential to get them a better buzz. Many niggas are lust over girls that make a fuss. He's chosen to plain doctors or rubber gloves are a must. To put it plain and simply, freshmen walk around packing Trojans like Trinity. And I'm not looking for laughter. Life is a plan. We all are some bad actors, a rose cast of disasters. Everybody wants a motherfucking G swagger. Everybody stands with a fucking G stature. Damn, we need passes. We become a lost cause. Somewhere some female just lost her drawers. Giving it up to her man, I bet he said he loved her. Telling her that she's perfect to get her under the covers. This ain't newly discovered, it's something we all know. Stop living life like a race for a place that we all go. Damn, niggas need to stay true. When you stay true alive, bitches say they hate you. And they the same bitches swear to God that they made you. They're the same bitches swear to God that they played you. Damn, I don't get it. How we hell-bent when we were heaven sent. All this material shit becomes irrelevant. I wonder why, but only Lord knows. If Jesus died for our sins, and why we selling our souls. Why we selling our souls. Why we selling our souls. I wonder why, but only Lord knows. If Jesus died for our sins, and why we selling our souls.